If you're new to sewing, Love Notions is the place to start. Get exactly what you need as a beginner sewist with our approachable collection of instant download sewing patterns for the whole family. We have easy to sew patterns that will help you learn and grow your sewing skills. And our pattern design is focused on classic, easy to wear styles that will become your wardrobe staples, the ones that you will actually reach for over and over again. Our thoughtful tutorials hold your hand as you tackle this new hobby, and your sewing confidence will skyrocket when you finally get to twirl around in that me-made clothing. With Love Notions, you can take part in our huge community of sewists who are happy to support you, answer your questions, and give you a virtual high five for every new make you add to your collection. Get motivated by our diverse and welcoming ambassador team as they model fit on real bodies and support your sews with lots of how-tos and sewing inspiration. And look through our huge library of sewing blogs, videos, and resources that help you tackle anything from fitting to sewing basics to hacks to full-length sew-alongs. Happy sewing!